In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create celebrity Polaroids in the Google Gemini Windows app. First, open the Gemini app on your Windows computer and look for the plus sign that lets you upload a photo. Click that plus sign, then choose the image you want to transform. A clear portrait works best, ideally something well lit, with faces in focus and minimal clutter in the background. Higher resolution photos give the model more detail to work with, and avoiding heavy filters or extreme angles will make the Polaroid effect look more authentic. If the image includes more than one person, make sure everyone is framed comfortably in the shot so the composition translates well. With your photo in place, it's time to write the prompt. You'll want to clearly describe the Polaroid look and the moment you're trying to capture. For example, you can say, "Create an image like it was taken with a Polaroid camera. It should feel like a candid photo. Replace the background behind the two people with white curtains, with the celebrity putting an arm around my shoulder. Focus on vintage flash and specific poses." That kind of language tells Gemini exactly what style, mood, and arrangement you want. Feel free to be specific about elements like lighting. Mention a vintage flash with a gentle bloom, slight grain, and a soft, warm tone. You can also describe facial expressions or posture, like relaxed smiles or a natural lean-in, to sell the candid vibe. Keep your prompt respectful and avoid sharing any private information. Once your prompt reads the way you want, press Enter. That sends your instructions to Gemini and starts the generation process. If you notice anything you forgot to include, like a note about the frame's color or how much grain you want, don't worry, you can revise and send it again later. Now wait for a moment while Gemini processes your request. Generation time can vary depending on your internet connection and the complexity of the prompt, so give it a little breathing room. You'll usually see a progress indicator while it works. If the first result isn't quite right, refine your wording. Tighten the description of the Polaroid feel, clarify the background as soft white curtains, or emphasize the candid, flash-lit look, and press Enter again. Small prompt tweaks often make a big difference. And that's it. Upload with the plus sign, craft a clear Polaroid-style prompt, press Enter, and wait for the magic. Follow these steps, and you'll have a convincing, vintage-inspired celebrity Polaroid in no time.